Good morning, student. Welcome all of you in your science class, and we are in our chapter number 5, words, beaks, and claws. Dear student, we have already finished our page number 32 and 33. In page number 32, we have done journal discussion. In page number 33, we have read about the types of beaks, that is crushing beak, curved beak, piercing, and tearing beak. Today we will learn chiseling beak. Write down CW and date here. Today is 207/2020. Whenever we are doing any work, date should be on the top, whether notebook or whether book. So chiseling beak mean bird like the woodpecker have a strong, long and straight beak. This help them to peck at the wood and eat insect present in the wood. You can see woodpecker has long, straight and strong beak. Okay, do you know while pecking at something, a bird move its beak forward quickly and bites at it? Probing beak. Some bird like the hummingbird, the sunbird and the hoopie have a strong and slender beaks. Sunbird sucks nectar from flowers while hoopie takes out insects and worms from the holes in the ground. You can see sunbird, hummingbird and hoopie. You can observe these. Hummingbird can flap its wings 90 times in just 1 second. It is very important. The hummingbird has a very good quality that it flap its wings or feathers or wings. We don't use the word feather here, wings, because it is small word. 19 time in just 1 second. You can see shifting beaks. The duck has a flat and broad beak which has small hole on both sides. It digs up the food along with mud from the base of the pond or lake. Its beak pushes out the mud and water from the holes, leaving the food behind. Its beak thus help it to shift food from mud and water. Do reading practice. Very soon you will able to understand everything. You can observe these word one by one. You can observe these whole also. Okay, so today it's enough, and tomorrow we will read about sticky beak. For a little bit I will explain sticky beak. Swallow has a small, broad and sticky beak. The beak is sticky from inside. This helps the swallow to catch flies while flying. Okay, swallow, sticky beak. Which word has sticky beak? Swallow. Okay, and this sticky beak help them to catch the flies while flying. Do you know the arrival of flocks of swallows is a sure sign that summer is on its way? Okay, so tomorrow we will again revise these things and we will proceed for feet and claws. Thank you and have a nice day. Do reading practice. Okay, thank you.